2026 Colorado, $31,900. Starting at 7,700 pounds. Max available towing, best in class. Bed and tailgate functionality, best in class. Ground clearance with up to 4.5-inch lift. WT, starting at $31,900. As shown $35,200. Work smarter and harder. 2.7L turbo max engine with 310 horsepower and 430 lb featuring of torque. 17-inch ultra silver metallic wheels with all-season tires. Chevy safety assist. 11.3-inch diagonal center touchscreen with Google built-in, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 11-inch diagonal digital driver information center. LT, starting at $35,800. As shown $38,100. Capable meets comfortable. 2.7L turbo max engine with 310 horsepower and 430 lb featuring of torque. 17-inch argent metallic wheels with all-season tires. Easy lift and lowered tailgate with built-in stow flex storage. Remote start with keyless open and start. Available enhanced wireless phone charging. Trail Boss, starting at $39,900. As shown $40,395. Off-road ready capability. 2.7L turbo max engine with 310 horsepower and 430 lb featuring of torque. 18-inch wheels with 32-inch all-terrain tires. 2-inch factory-installed lift. 4 selectable drive modes and off-road performance display. 2-speed auto transfer case and transfer case shield. Z71, starting at $43,900. As shown $43,900. Built for adventure. 2.7L turbo max engine with 310 horsepower and 430 lb featuring of torque. 18-inch wheels with 32-inch all-terrain tires. Jet black interior with adrenaline red accents. 4 selectable drive modes and off-road performance display. LED headlamps, taillamps and fog lamps. ZR2, starting at $49,600. As shown $49,600. Conquer the trails. 2.7L turbo max engine with 310 horsepower and 430 lb featuring of torque. 17-inch wheels with 33-inch mud-terrain tires. 3-inch factory-installed lift with high-performance suspension. Multimatic DSSV dampers. 5 selectable drive modes and off-road performance display. 11.3-inch diagonal center touchscreen and 11-inch diagonal digital driver information center.